Hey guys, it's Jay from Fitness Engineered again, and today I want to bring you a video about meal planning. So I just got back from the supermarket, and in a minute I'll bring you downstairs to show you what our grocery haul was. But the whole point of this is I just want to show you how quick and easy it is to actually put together healthy meals that can either help you bulk up or slim down depending on what you want to eat and what your goals are. So the other big part about this was less than $30 for a week's worth of food. And I want to show you exactly how you can do that, implementing it into your own lifestyle. So I'm just gonna cut my rambling short here. We'll go downstairs, see the grocery haul, I'll get to cooking, and then at the end we'll come back here and I'll show you everything on Chronometer and how many calories it is. Okay, so this is my grocery haul. I'll run you through it real quick. So produce-wise, we've got red potatoes, some broccoli, mixed peppers, ton of bananas. Protein-wise, we have turkey breast and chicken breast. And then for grains, whole wheat bread, whole wheat pasta, and for the cheat meal, cereal. So all of this in total was just 26 bucks, and this should get me about 2 to 3 meals a day for the entirety of the week. So I'll do the math in a bit, but it just goes to show that if you want to eat clean plus a cheat meal, it's really not that expensive. So quick disclaimer is I'm not gonna cook all of this right now. Some of it's gonna be set aside for next week, but also I'm gonna use a couple of other things that I have, like some onions or some other spices that I have lying around the house. Alright, so I'm gonna put this down and get to cooking. Okay, so here is the finalized product. So the first of the two big meals, this is going to be for lunch. It's some roasted potatoes, some roasted vegetables, and some chicken breast. And I know what you're thinking, this is probably really small, but keep in mind that There are also other snacks in the day like fruit, sandwiches, and of course that cereal. And on the other side is the dinner. This is the heftier meal. There's some brown rice, some chicken, some broccoli, and underneath are some roasted peppers. So let's hop over to Chronometer and I'll show you the breakdown of all of this. Alright, so I'm back here. We're here on Chronometer, and I'm just going to give you a quick run through of what this day of eating will look like. So for breakfast at the beginning of the day, usually I just like to have fruit. I'll have bananas or whatever else is in the house, but 2 bananas usually gets me through, along with a cup of black coffee, which is usually 0 to 5 calories. And then I'll go work out. Oops. No, I don't want to do that. And for lunch, I'll have some chicken breast, the potatoes, red bell pepper, and onion. And then there's everything else that we're eating throughout the day. The sandwich, which is 2 slices of bread and some turkey breast. For dinner, that big meal that I showed you with the brown rice, the chicken, and broccoli. And then usually, right before bed, I like to have some more fruit and a big heaping of peanut butter. I actually have it right here at my desk with me because I eat this stuff so much. But when you're shopping for peanut butter, just a quick tip, look at the ingredients first because a lot of them do have some bad stuff in them. If they say any kind of hydrogenated oil, try to avoid that. This one I like. It's from a local factory, and it's just got 2 ingredients, peanuts and salt. So if you're in the New England area, I highly recommend Teddy, but anything that you can find is good enough. Just make sure you're checking the ingredients first. So let's take a look at your overall consumption. So it says you're taking in 1,740 calories, but keep in mind that this doesn't account for any of the seasonings that we use, any other sauces we might add, like let's say you want to have ketchup or soy sauce with any of your meals. That does add up, like I said in my previous video. Especially because I also like to drink milk. I don't have a set amount that I consume in a day, but that's where the other 200-300 calories is going to come from. So if we look at our macros, again, you're hitting 1,700 calories. Most likely you're getting up to the 2,000 range. Protein we're good on from all the chicken and the turkey breast. Slightly over on carbs, but that's not a big deal. They're all whole grains or complex carbs from your vegetables. So those will be in and out of your system relatively easy. And fats, we're a little low on those, but again, we're not accounting for the olive oil or the coconut oil that went into the cooking. So that usually makes up for any lost calories or lost macronutrients. Now, if we go ahead and look at vitamins, I'm not going to go into any of these into great detail, but you can tell from all of the green that you're meeting most of your vitamins. Of course, you can always add more greens or more vegetables. Look into what's going to be your B12 supplement, where else you can get extra calcium from. Now, calcium, again, I get from drinking milk or snacking on some nuts or a few other things. Vitamin D from the dairy, but also if you're out and about in the sunlight, you don't really have to worry about this. Just know that it's not crucial to get all of it from your food. Fats, we addressed that, and protein, we've addressed that. So this is a typical week's worth of food, aside from the cheat days. Like, let's say I added in that bowl of cereal, this would be totally off, and I'd be adding another like 400 calories to this. But again, everything's good in some moderation. So I'm going to wrap up there, and I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please subscribe and leave your comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And that's it for today. See you guys next time.